It's Vlogmas day 5. It's December 5th already. My goodness. I just want to show you guys. So this is my bed. I've got lots of covers because I was cold, so ignore that. But this is how I wake up. Bean Bean beside me. Hey darling, still sleepy. And then Sniffles has her spot right beside my pillow. Don't you? You're so loving. Yes, you are. That's her little spot. I have to leave room on the side of the bed so she can lay. If I don't, she will sit there and stare at me and get very angry. That's my girl. I love you. Can you tell them, say thank you? Because my mom almost made it to 10,000. Right now, I'm 3 away. 3 subscribers away. So yay. Be happy, Sniffles. Yeah. Okay. Be happy. So just a little bit after I filmed that first clip, I reached 10,000. Like literally, it couldn't have been 15 minutes. It couldn't have even been that long. So thank you so much. It's such a big deal to me, and I really appreciate everyone who has subscribed and stayed subscribed and always supports. I did put a giveaway on my Instagram. I do of course have a giveaway for you guys on here, but I am waiting on some things to come in. One thing that I ordered, and then a couple of things in my Boxy Luxe, which I know I'll get soon. Because I've gotten so many palettes recently, I want to give you guys 1 or 2 palettes in that one. The Instagram one's probably going to be a little smaller. So it's got Park Avenue Princess, the Chisel palette. I'm like getting ready to like package this up. The Pretty Vulgar Nightingale. It's got the mini Laura Mercier with the little powder puff. It's got an Origins Clear Improvement Mask. Smashbox Always On a liquid lip in the shade Stay Neutral. That's a really pretty shade. It's actually one that I have and use a lot. Better Than Sex mascara. And then you get the bag as well, which I got in a previous FabFitFun and I never used, but it's such a nice material. I just have so many bags and I thought I could package everything in it. So you get a ton of like minis and samples and things like that. Some of them are good sizes, like the Climax. You get to try that mascara. I love that one. Others are just like a lot of samples. So go follow me on Instagram. I will put the handle on the screen so you can go check it out. I put a post of basically just what I showed you, everything laid out. It's the picture. And you can enter as many times as you like. Each comment is tagging a friend separately. So if you want to enter 5 times, you'll comment 5 times with 5 different friends, if that makes sense. So as soon as I get those couple other things, which I should get them both within the next few days, then I will put a giveaway on here as well. So nothing much going on right now. I will vlog if I do anything that is not sitting on the couch. I'm watching movies. I'm about to start 50 Shades Darker. I just watched 50 Shades of Grey. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Sorry. It's so boring, but I am so excited. Reaching 10,000 definitely made a sick day at home so much better. So thank you guys, and I will talk to you in a bit. Hey guys, it's now about 2 in the afternoon. I have just been watching movies. I was gonna get ready to kind of take a shower. I was thinking about filming doing my makeup, but honestly I may just have to take a hot shower and just lay around some more because I am not feeling any better yet. This sweatshirt Zach actually got as a Secret Santa gift. It says Maui Christmas down at the bottom. It's got these cats. I was cold. I just put it over my pajamas. I've been bundled up on the couch, literally just drinking water and watching movies. So I finished 50 Shades Darker. Got one more to go. I might as well watch that one today. I thought we'd sit down and do some advent calendars. My camera needs to be charged, so I'm gonna film this, let my camera charge, and then figure out what else I wanna vlog today. Day 5 is right here. Let's see what's that. Ooh, that looks so pretty. This is an eye foil. Look how pretty this looks. This is cute. I need to put this on my eyeballs. So that's the Lottie London eye foil, and I'm looking for a shade. Oh, the shade is called Denied. So pretty. So let's do our sock advent calendar. One of you guys commented that you hope there's llamas. So do I. So we've got number 5 up here, has a penguin picture. These are hard to like break into. Oh, and these are actually penguins. I feel like I have socks that look like this. Has this been a Target sock in the past? There's little penguin socks. Feel Unique next. The little beauty parcel. That feels kind of heavy. So that's number 5. What is it? Oh, so this is the KMS Moist Repair Conditioner. I think I got, yesterday I got the shampoo. How did I forget that already? So let's do Look Fantastic before my battery dies. Where's number 5? I tried this the other day to look at it backwards and I couldn't see it. But number 5 is right here. Let's see what we've got. Some type of a pencil. B Brow Bar Limited. So this is a ultra slim brow definer in Indian chocolate. So there's the color right there. I think I can do that. It's kind of like a softer brown. So, okay, I'm excited to use this. So a little brow pencil in there. All right, so that's it for advent calendars for now. I'm gonna go plug my camera in so it can get charging, and then I am going to take a steamy shower and then watch a steamy movie. I'm just kidding. Hey, Sandy, come here. Look, I've been drinking so much water. This is the 3rd time I filled this up, and it was full to begin with. And I've had coffee, I had hot chocolate. Like, if hydrating yourself could cure a cold, I'd be well by now. I'm also drinking hot emergencies.
So this looks like a warm piss.
So I'm trying to get my little vitamin C in, so maybe I'll start feeling better. Because as amazing as a day this has been, I still feel gross. So I got something really exciting. I got my Too Faced mystery box to share with you. I wanted to unbox this while looking cute and in a video by itself, but the only way this vlog is going to be even remotely interesting, in my opinion, is if I do this. I also have a package from Ulta to share with you. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what I got at Ulta first. Because it's just like random stuff. And then we have the advent calendar in here as well. So first I got the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. This just looks so good. I'm such a big fan of BH Cosmetics. Their eyeshadow palettes are literally amazing. And for the really low price point, I'm always impressed. I really want the new Zodiac, I think it's called Love Signs or something like that. But this is the Royal Affair. It's really pretty. Oh dear. Cats will eat that. But look at this color selection. Like, hello, these two right here. I want to swatch, actually, let me swatch the screen. I'm just going to do a little, ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. And that is not out of the ordinary. Like, BH Cosmetics to me always has some beautiful colors. So if you're down to see me try this out in a video, let me know below. Also got Makeup Revolution foundation. So I've heard some mixed things. I've seen some people say that they love it, and then I've seen some people say that it's nowhere near as good as the concealer. So we're gonna find out. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And I'm pretty sure I have the stuff to do a full face of Makeup Revolution, and your girl's just been caught up with other stuff. So I ordered this Elemis Superfood Facial Wash. I really wanna try Elemis stuff. It just looks so intriguing, and I wanna try it out. So this is the facial wash. I'm really excited to give that a try. It's prebiotic gel cleanser, and I'm all about good skincare, so I'm excited. And then when I made the purchase, there was a little freebie from Elemis, so I was like, hell yeah, perfect time to try it. So it comes with some hydrogel eye masks in that little pack. And then there's a couple other goodies. The Pro Collagen Marine Cream and the Pro Collagen Marine Mask. I'm fairly certain I'm getting the Marine Cream full size in Boxy Luxe. So this will very likely just go into the giveaway so you guys can try it out too. That will be up in a matter of days. I'm just waiting on a couple other things to come in the mail. I got a few drugstore goodies. I got the Maybelline Soft Brown Tattoo Studio. This has that really interesting tip that's got like 4 prongs on it. Definitely want to try this out. So that may go in that like full face of first impressions. I think that would be good. Uh-oh. They accidentally sent me 2. I'm pretty sure I only asked for 1. It says I ordered 2. Let me see. While I'm doing that, I got the Superstay Multi-Use Foundation Stick. Okay, Maybelline Superstay. So this I could do as my foundation. So I've got palette, I've got brow, I've got foundation, I've got lots of stuff.
No. Try, give me. Okay, order detail. Why did I order 2 of these?
A happy coincidence because one of these can also go in the giveaway, so I hope the winner has brows that are close to soft brown. This was the other advent calendar I was waiting on. It's the 24 Days of Beauty called Sugar Trip from NYX. This was half off for Black Friday. I think something like that. It was highly discounted.
You guys feel like it's been forever? Because I do. Can everyone see me? Can everyone hear me?
There you go. So here is a lot of things in here. So let's go ahead and start opening them up because we've missed a few days because Ulta took 13 years to ship this package out. So the first thing we got, this is cute. It's called Sprinkle Town and this is a highlighter. Look how cute. Hello. Let's swatch this bad boy. Let's watch it next to this green. Okay, so this is kind of like a almost lavender type of highlight. I haven't really seen a lot of lavender, you know, a lot of blues and pinks and greens, but not lavender. This is a soft matte lip cream in the shade Nantes. It's like a little metallic. The little bitty swatch right there, very light. That would be really cute for layering. Okay, so this is a liquid suede in the shade Starstruck. Guys, I started to declutter a liquid suede the other day and I was like, maybe I don't remember because I thought it was like drying on the lips. Bro, I put that on and it lasted all freaking day. I got another Sprinkle Town right here. This is a highlighter. Okay, that looks kind of dark. Yeah, it's pretty dark. I shouldn't have swatched that. It's right there. And then the 5th one, which is today's, is an Intense Butter Gloss. Looks like this. Ooh, super pigmented. This is a really pretty like orchid light purple. Okay, so that was the Sugar Trip. And then the last thing that I got from Ulta was this like epic goodie bag that they had, which is actually pretty cute. It's got so much stuff in it, like I don't even know. It's got so much stuff in it. Skin Active Micellar Water from Garnier. Hava, I have this hand cream, I really love it, so I'll let you guys try it. Little Ulta glitter eye top coat. I've actually heard that these are really pretty. Little sparkle, it's kind of pretty. All Soft Mega Shampoo. Oh, and I got the conditioner. Yes. Little bitty mini Ofra. Got a little plushie from Lime Crime. Oh, it's so cute. This makes me want to try them all. Got little Ulta On The Go makeup remover towelettes. I just bought a huge bag of the Neutrogena minis. I've got so many wipes. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway too. A little MAC Prep and Prime, a 7th Heaven coconut and clay peel off mask. So you guys are probably gonna get the majority of this stuff in here. I'll just pick out a couple things that I want to try. And I know that this is gonna be in the title. So if you waited for this to the end, I'm sorry that it took so long. But I did order the Too Faced mystery box. Let me look at it real quick because I know it was, I believe, $42. Ooh. I want to say it had a $135 value. It was $42 and it says it's a value of $123. I will say last year I got mostly stuff that I already had. So it's not gonna, I don't think it's gonna be anything earth shattering in this box, but I thought, hey, it's a great way to maybe get some product that I haven't tried. And if not, pass it on to you guys because they have great products and it is a good value. So yeah, so I think it opens this way. So here we go. Okay, there's some samples on top. This stuff is like falling out everywhere and my cats will eat it. They're savages. So this is what the bag looks like. It looks like there is a palette inside. Probably have it. So I'll let you guys take a little peeky poo. Let's pull this palette out. Okay, so this is the chocolate bonbons. And yeah, I think I definitely have this. I'm pretty sure. I think I got like all these. Yeah, this is the one in the pink packaging. You guys, the giveaway for 10,000, if you need eyeshadow palettes, you're gonna get them because I'm gonna at least have 2, maybe 3 palettes in there. This is the sketch marker. I've never actually tried these. This is the deep navy blue, so I will give this a try. I like that these look like pins. Okay, that looks pretty nice. I've seen these in store, but I just feel like they get so dried out, with people constantly opening them, that you don't get like a real impression unless you use it brand new. So I'm gonna try the sketch marker out. I've got a mini Better Than Sex and got a liquefied longwear lipstick. This is just a regular melted. I actually like this formula a lot, and this is the shade Chihuahua. I know I've definitely used this, so both of these in the giveaway straight away. And I actually have this too, so I actually bought this shade myself. This is the melted matte in the shade Granny Panties. I actually really like this color. It's a bit different, but hopefully one of you guys will like it. It's like a purple gray mauve is like the best way to describe that. So that's kind of what I expected. That was a quick little mystery unboxing. There you go. That's your whole box. I'm not mad at that. Like, you guys know, if you watched Vlogmas day 3 and my Jeffree Star mystery unboxing, like, I'm very realistic. If I order a mystery box, like, it's a mystery. I may not like it. I may have things. So I'm actually excited because this gets you guys some good stuff that I actually like. I like every single product that I'm holding right now, and it's gonna go to you guys. So I think that's great. Really, for $42, I got myself a liner and I got you guys a bunch of stuff. I'm not mad at it. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Make sure that you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so that you know when that goes live, because that should be within, I'll say like within a week, probably within the next couple of days. It just depends on when I get a couple of packages. And yeah, so all of your goodies going in the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for sticking through this vlog. If you waited to the end to watch that segment, I didn't plan that out to like make you guys sit and wait on me, but I appreciate you sticking through the end if you did. If you made it through to the end, then let me know. Do you already have those Too Faced items? Like, have you tried the Bonbons palette? If it's going to be a new product for you if you win it in the giveaway, let me know. I love the Bonbons and I love both those lips and I love the mascara. So let me know if you guys like those items as well. And I appreciate you guys sticking around through the end. I love you. Make sure again to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.